Good morning, everyone. Welcome in lecture number 34. Topic is problems based on gradient, divergence, and curl. In previous lecture, we have discussed the topic scalar and vector fields, gradient, differential operator, and divergence and curl. In this lecture, we have studied about problems, gradient, divergence, and curl. So problem number first, example number 1. If function f x y z equal to 3x square y minus y cube z square, find grade f at the point 1 minus 2 1. So in this question, scalar function given. So given that fxyz equal to 3x square y minus y cube z square. Number first, we have by the definition of gradient, grade f equal to I cap del f over del x plus j cap del f over del y plus k cap del f over del z. So this becomes to I cap del f over del x. So differentiate f with respect to x partially, then we find out 2x, 2 into 3, 6 xy plus j cap del f over del y, तो 1, तो 3x square minus y 3 y square z square plus k cap del f over del z, so this is constant 0 minus 2z y cube. So this is the gradient f, value of gradient f. So now this becomes to gradient f becomes to 6xy I cap plus 3x square minus 3y square z square j cap plus minus 2 z y cube k cap. Value of the gradient f at the point 1, gradient f at the point 1 minus 2 1. So putting the value of xyz in this equation, this is the equation number 2. तो x equal to 1, तो 6 into 1 minus 2 I cap plus 3 into 1 का स्क्वायर minus 3 into minus 2 का स्क्वायर into 1 का स्क्वायर j cap plus minus 2 z into 1 minus 2 का whole cube k cap. So this becomes to minus 2 or 6 minus 12 I cap. This is 3 into 1 का square 1, so 3 minus this is 4 minus 2 का square 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 minus 3 minus 12 तो minus 9 j, this is minus 2 का क्यूब तो minus 8 minus minus plus तो plus 16 k. This is the gradient value of the gradient f at the point 1 minus 2 minus 1. So this is the solution of this problem. Now again we have another problem, problem number 2. Example number 2. If u equal to x plus y plus z, v equal to x square plus y square plus z square, w equal to yz plus zx plus xy, prove that gradient u dot gradient v cross gradient w equal to 0. Here three scalar point function u, v, w are given. All three scalar functions are the functions of x, y, z. Now we have to prove that gradient u dot gradient v cross gradient w. Gradient u, it is a vector, dot, it is a vector, gradient v cross gradient w. Three all are vectors. So now this is the scalar triple product of three normal vectors. To solve this question, first we find out here given that u equal to x plus y plus z, 1, v equal to x square plus y square plus z square, 2, and w equal to yz plus zx plus xy, number third. Now grade u equal to I del u over del x plus j del u over del y plus k del u over del z. So this becomes to I del u over del x 1, so I cap plus del u over del y 1, j cap plus k cap. This is 4. Gradient v becomes to del v, so I del v over del x plus j del v over del y plus k del w over del z. So this becomes to I cap del v over del x 2x plus j del v over del y 2y plus k 2z. So this becomes to 2 xi plus yj plus zk. This is fifth. So gradient w equal to I cap del w over del x plus j del w over del y plus k del w over del z. This becomes to I cap del w over del x. So del w over del x z plus x plus j del w over del y, तो y, तो यहां से z और y, z प्लस yz zx plus xy. तो now z over z plus y, j z plus x plus k तो z y plus x. This is sixth. So gradient, the value of gradient u dot gradient v cross gradient w equal to I plus j plus k dot 2x I cap plus 2y j cap plus 2z k cap cross y plus z I cap plus z plus x j cap plus x plus y k cap. So this is the triple product of three vectors. So this becomes to 1 1 1 2x 2y 2z and y plus z z plus x x plus y. So this becomes to equal to, in this row we have common 2, taking determinant, so 1 1 1 x y z y plus z z plus x x plus y. Performing R2 replaced by R2 plus R3. So this becomes to 1 1 1 x plus y plus z x plus y plus z x plus y plus z upon y plus z z plus x and x plus y. So this becomes to, in this row we have taking common x plus y plus z, so 2x plus y plus z, determinant of 1 1 1 1 1 1 y plus z z plus x x plus y. So determinant of this becomes to 0. Because of that, two rows are identical. If any two rows and columns are identical, then the value of the determinant becomes to 0 by the property. So this becomes to 2x plus y plus z into 0 which is equal to 0. Hence proved. So this is the solution of question number 2. Now again, example number 3. If R equal to modulus of vector R, where R equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, then prove that number first, del f r equal to f dash r del r. Second, b, del r equal to 1 upon r vector r. So this is the third question. Now solution of this question. In this question given that r equal to modulus of r, which is equal to square root x square plus y square plus z square, where r equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So in this, first we find out a. So del fr, which is becomes to I del over del x fr plus j del over del y fr plus k del over del z fr. So this becomes to I cap del over del x fr. So here first we differentiate this by chain rule, f dash r and r with respect to x, because r is the function of x, y, z. So del r over del x plus j del over del y. First we find with respect to r, so f dash r, then del r over del y plus k del f dash r and del r over del z. So this becomes to common f dash r in 3 step, I del r over del x plus j del r over del y plus k del r over del z. This becomes to f dash r. This is also written as I del over del x plus j del over del y plus k del over del z or r. So now this becomes to f dash r, or this is the value of del r. This is r. Hence proved first result. This is the first result. Now again we solve its other part, that is second part. So second part is b, del r equal to I del r over del x plus j del r over del y plus k del r over del z. This is first. We have r equal to r equal to square root x square plus y square plus z square. So del r over del x equal to 1 upon 2 x square plus y square plus z square की power minus 1 upon 2 into 2x. So this becomes 2x upon square root x square plus y square plus z square, which is equal to x, or this becomes to r. So similarly there is a symmetry. So del r over del y becomes to y upon r, and del r over del z equal to z upon r. So putting the value of del r over del x, del r over del y and del r over del z in first, putting the values of del r over del x, del r over del y and del r over del z in first, we get del r equal to I x upon r plus j y upon r plus k z upon r. Taking 1 upon r common, तो xi plus yj plus zk. 1 upon r common in, so 1 upon r. This is the vector r. So hence proved. ये हमें रिजल्ट प्रूफ करना था. Now example number 4. Example number 4. Determine the constant A so that vector V equal to x plus 3y I cap plus y minus 2z j cap plus x plus az k cap is solenoidal. Solution. So in this question we find out the value of A. Here vector V is given. In this vector, this is the A. So what value of A? This vector is solenoidal. So by the definition of solenoidal vector, divergence V equal to 0. So first we find out here, given that V equal to x plus 3y I plus y minus 2z j plus x plus az k. So divergence of V equal to del dot V. So this becomes to I del over del x plus j del over del y plus k del over del z dot V x plus 3 y I cap plus y minus 2 z j cap plus x plus az k cap. So this becomes to I dot I, so del over del x, x plus 3y plus del over del y, j dot j, y minus 2z plus del over del z, x plus az equal to del over del x, this is 0, ये 1, del over del y plus 1 plus del over del z, it is 0 and a, which is equal to 2 plus a. We know that if V is solenoidal, then divergence V equal to 0. So this implies as 2 plus A equal to 0. So this implies as A equal to minus 2. So for the value of A equal to minus 2, the given vector point function V becomes to solenoidal. So this is the solution of this problem. Example number 6. If R equal to x I cap, y j cap plus z k cap, then prove that curl R equal to 0. So solution: given that R equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Now by the definition of curl R equal to del cross R, which is equal to I del over del x plus j del over del y plus k del over del z cross x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So this becomes to determinant of I j k del over del x del over del y del over del z. This is x, y, z. So this becomes to I del z over del y minus del y over del z plus minus j del over del z over del x minus del x over del z. So this becomes to plus k del y over del x minus del x over del y. So this becomes to I cap del z over del y, del over del y of z with respect to 0 minus 0 minus j 0 minus 0 plus k 0 minus 0. So this becomes to 0. So curl V equal to curl R equal to 0. Hence proved. Hence proved. So in such a way, some questions for practice. So question number first. If question for practice based on this lecture. Question number first. If V equal to x I cap, y j cap, z k cap upon square root x square y square plus z square, then find divergence V and curl V. This is the question number 1. And question number 2, find the value of n for which vector Rn R is solenoidal, where R equal to x I cap, y j cap plus z k cap. Question number 3, prove that divergence R upon R cube equal to 0. Now question number 4, prove that divergence R equal to 3, where R equal to xi, yj, zk. So solve these questions. So making for practice. Now this is the end of this lecture. With this lecture, the unit number 4 finished. In next lecture, lecture number 35, we have starting unit number 5, integration. Thank you, students.